first thing you need to do to make sure you solve a system of linear equations by graphing is to take the first equation, in this case negative 2x plus y equals 6, and write a set of points, at least 3, so you can graph the equation. In this case, I've pre-prepared the points so that, for example, when x is 0, y is 6. And to plot the points, we're gonna grab a pen and go to 0, 6. That's the first point. The second point, when x is 1, if I plug 1 for x, I would get y is 8. So we'll go to 1, and that's a little bit above where I can graph. So let's try a different point. Let's try negative 1 for x. So when x is negative 1, y is 4. Again, over here I'm plugging in negative 1 for x and solving it for y. Let's do one more point. Since 1 was 2, it was giving us a point that was off the charts. Negative 1 worked. Let's try negative 2. Maybe that will also give us a point that we can graph. So try negative 2 for x. So that would be negative 2 times negative 2. That is a 4. 4 plus y equals 6. And then if we solve that for y, we would get when x is negative 2, y is 2. Take a ruler, put that there, draw our line. Okay, so we've got our first line, and to either put the ruler there or take it off, you just press that over there. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to graph the second equation, and so in this case we have y equals 1 over 3x plus 1, and I'm going to choose numbers that are going to help eliminate that 1 over 3. You can plug any number. So I'm going to choose numbers that I think will work out pretty nicely and not give me a fraction or decimal. So I'm going to try 0 first. When x is 0, that would be 0 times 1/3. 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So when x is, let me pick up a pen again. When x is 0, y is 1. I'm going to try x is 3. So that would give me 1 over 3 times 3 plus 1. And you can do that, solve it out, and you would get 2. When x is 3, y is 2. Do one more point. Let me try when x is 6. So that would be 1 over 3 times 6, which is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So when x is 6, y is 2. You get ruler, go ahead and graph that. Make sure your line goes all across so you can see exactly what's happening. So I can see, in order to see the lines pretty clearly, I'm going to click on the ruler again so that's gone and I can see the lines. So what you're looking for when you're solving a system of linear equations is a point of intersection if they do intersect. And in this case, they intersect exactly at 0 and the intersect of 0 and 0 for y and negative 3 for x. So we're going to type in that coordinate point where they intersect. And type it in using the points that they have there. Negative 3, 0. Okay, well, let's see.